गर्न मतलब सक्छौ that depends on the time, but I'm sure जुन मतलब हाम्रो लाइफ होस् या माइन्ड होस् जुन सानो सानो कुरामा यदि हामीले ध्यान दियो भने even we can live our life happy and even we can use our mind in proper way. एउटा कुरा लाइफ हामी धेरै जनाले भन्छौं तर वास्तवमा what is life? लाइफ भनेको हो के?
Question mark.
Yes?
Question mark.
Question mark. Very good. Any more answer?
Struggle.
Mystery. Any more answer?
Struggle.
Struggle. Very good. Any more answer?
Compromise.
Compromise. Very good.
Achievement. Achievement.
Achievement. Very good. Okay, my dear friends, all you are right. No doubt. No doubt. But listen, life. Life is nothing but hamro life. Our life. Yes or no? Our life is nothing but it's all our feelings. It's all our thoughts. It's all our action. Our life is nothing but it's our feelings, thoughts and actions. And whatever the life we have got today, whatever the life we have achieved today, it is just because of thoughts, your own thoughts, your feelings, your actions. हामी सबैले थाहा छ my dear friends, वास्तवमा most of the time we are not aware towards our thoughts, towards our feelings, towards our actions. But it is said, if you really want to enjoy your life, if you really want to achieve something extraordinary in your life, always be aware of your thoughts, be aware of your feelings and be aware of your action. हामीले थाहा छ प्राय हामी अवेयरनेस हामी छँदै हुँदैन. प्राय कोही व्यक्ति भन्छ सर मलाई रिस धेरै उठ्छ, एंग्री मलाई